Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're like me, you've probably spent more than a few minutes crouched under a car or lying on your back in a closet, fumbling with a stubborn bolt that's just out of reach. It's moments like those where having the right tool doesn't just save time, it saves your patience. Today, we're looking at a tool that's been making waves in both the professional and DIY communities, the Milwaukee M12 3/8-inch ratchet. Part of Milwaukee's compact M12 line, this isn't your dad's cordless ratchet. It's designed to bring power and precision to tight spaces where traditional tools fall short. Over the past few weeks, I've put this little beast through a real-world test. No scripted scenarios, just everyday jobs that demand reliability. From automotive repairs to home upgrades, I wanted to see if it lives up to the hype. So what do I think? Let me tell you, the Milwaukee M12 3/8-inch ratchet has quickly become one of those tools I reach for without even thinking. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for those tight spots under the hood or behind appliances where a regular ratchet just won't fit. I've used it for everything from changing oil filters to assembling furniture in cramped corners, and it's handled each job with surprising ease. The variable speed trigger gives you excellent control. Start slow to get the bolt seated, then speed up for quick turns. I've been running it with the M12 XE 4.0 battery, and honestly, the runtime is solid. I've gone through an entire weekend of small jobs, replacing cabinet hinges, tightening deck screws, even some light automotive work, without needing to recharge. It's not a heavy-duty impact wrench, but for light to medium tasks, it zips through with enough torque to get the job done without breaking a sweat. One thing that really stands out is how versatile it is. On a recent car maintenance weekend, I used it to remove and reinstall sway bar links, places where your hand barely fits, let alone a socket wrench. This ratchet made it almost effortless. I've also found myself using it around the house for quick fixes like tightening loose towel racks or assembling kids' bikes. It's not just a power tool, it works perfectly as a manual ratchet too. So when you need that final snug fit, you can just switch modes seamlessly. That dual functionality adds a lot of value. Plus, the build quality feels durable. Milwaukee's reputation for reliability really shows here. My dad always said, buy it once, cry once, and this tool lives up to that, especially compared to cheaper brands that feel flimsy in the hand. Now, let's be real, no tool is perfect. While most of the time it performs great, I did notice it struggles with higher torque applications. I tried tightening an alternator bolt under load, and it stalled out longer than I'd like, enough that I felt a little uneasy about overworking the motor. I've heard of a few cases where prolonged stall leads to overheating, so it's best to know its limits and step in with a manual wrench when needed. Also, while the battery life is generally good, using it on continuous heavy cycles will drain it faster. But for everyday use, it's hard to beat. At around $76, it's a fraction of what premium brands charge, and it delivers way more than its size suggests. If you're a homeowner, hobbyist, or even a pro looking for a reliable touch-up tool, this Milwaukee ratchet earns its spot in your kit. If you're ready to torque up your tool game, this Milwaukee M12 Ratchet is a smart, reliable pick. Don't let the small size fool you. It packs serious, everyday power. Like this review? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest, hands-on tool insights. Stay powered, stay prepared, and keep tightening the big moments, one solid click at a time.